Oh, hi. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was so lost in the Dhakir Awaj because, guys, Durga Pujo is already at our doorstep, and we girls have lot of preparations to take to shine, of course. But, ladies, glow up. That festive glow up doesn't happen overnight. It's all about these small rituals that make you feel refreshed and festive ready. So, buckle up. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a realistic glow up guide, and of course it's not gonna be the basic. It's all about the little extra thing you can add to your routine that will give you the festive glow. And this routine, these extra little things have changed the trajectory of my life. Guys, welcome or welcome back to the comfy corner of the internet. This is me, your host Shrestha Kundu, and let's begin the video. These are the chapters I'm going to be talking about, so I would suggest you to stick to the very end. Let's talk about the fitness first because glow comes from within. Let me ask you a question. Why do you wait for a month prior to Durga Puja when you have a full year to work on yourself?
It's not necessary to go to gym in order to lose weight or lose fat. You can do it from home only. Just the basic squats, lunges or push-ups or abs workout, or the basic stretch or workouts exercises that can be done from home, not only for 5 days, for every year, like for your life.
Let me break down the skincare. There are a few things you should not do, and there are a few things you should do. This is not a hard and fast rule, but these do's and don't make sense. We'll share the don'ts first, of course. Let me show you my extras.
Basic skincare, which includes cleansing, moisturizing, applying SPF, it is non-negotiable as shown in the last part. But this extra weekly skincare helps our skin to rejuvenate, to stay fresh, and to clean out all the dirt we have experienced throughout the week.
I'm very much particular about my hair care because I cannot take risk with my hair. I have done a lot of experiment during my college time, but I have understood that I shouldn't have done this. And from that experience, I have few things to share with you.
I take 2 days to pamper my hair, and I know that I wouldn't get hair like Ma Durga, but I can have my own. So on weekdays, I use this hair mask from again Nat Habit. This is for fresh hair Nutri Mask for frizz conditioning and rough hair. And look at my hair after applying this mask. It's gorgeous. On weekends, important task is hair oiling. Give yourself a quick oil massage with the oil you prefer and wash it after an hour. Apply hair mask and your hair roots will be strong and hair will thank you for this softness. And there are multiple DIY hacks for different concerns. You can Google it or you can check with your doctor.
For the grooming part, take the screenshot of the checklist shown on the screen. I have a full video on this particular topic made last year. So the moral of the story is try to avoid overspending, and in order to do that, you need to plan and make a vision board or mood board of the dresses, of the color pattern you would want to wear during the festive season or in Durga Puja. I know we girls feel the urge to purchase anything and everything we like while shopping during this time, but trust me, you're gonna regret later. And of course, try to wear something comfy that will help you to survive this heat. It's safer not to experiment with different makeup products and different makeup looks just for fun, because your skin might become the worst enemy of yours just for this fun. So stick to your go-to makeup look and go-to makeup products that you trust with your life. And less makeup means less sweat because the temperature is not gonna be favorable. I've been following religiously this routine, these small things, and let me tell you, I feel mentally and physically fit, at least better. So don't stress yourself out unless you love dark circles around your eyes. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, And if you love this video, please share with your friends, and subscribing this channel or not, it's totally up to you. I'm not gonna say anything about it. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, I would love to know the one ritual you swear by. And please let me know in the comment section about that, because who knows, it might help somebody else or it might help me. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeously.